He's eating it all up, isn't he?
No, Ellie. Leave that down, okay?
I see him.
Yeah, I'm waiting for him to go like that.
I'm making a video of Wyatt.
Yeah.
I think he likes it.
Oops. He definitely does like it.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Where'd he go?
It fall down.
Messy boy.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, boy. Get it in there.
Hey, how big is Wyatt?
How big is Wyatt?
He's like, I'm busy. You're gonna eat this whole cupcake.
So, whoops.
Over here.
Ah.